Hey guys, I'm going to make your morning message short and sweet today because there is another video that I'm going to have you watch. So this one's going to be super short. It is Friday, May 15th. It is our last day for social studies. So you are going to be finishing your Wax Museum project. The first thing you need to do is click on this video. This is going to walk you through exactly how to finish this project. You have two different options. One is a video, one is simply typing your script into your timeline. Watch this video and it'll show you exactly how to do it. Don't forget that your timeline was due today. That needs to be done. I've linked everything that you could need for social studies here. Here's the tutorial on how to do your timeline. If you haven't done it yet, watch this video. Your timeline will not take you very long. If you have not even started the timeline, you'll be fine. You can still get it done. Here's your link for your script. You will need that because you will have to present your script for your final presentation. And your research notes are here just in case you need them. There's just all in one spot. I also put an example presentation. I showed you in this video, but I went ahead and created an example presentation about my life that showed you the two different options on how to do your presentation. So click on those things. If you still have questions, please ask. That's what I'm here for. I'll be on Hangouts from 9 to 9:30 before Fun Friday, and then all afternoon from 1 to 2. Don't forget, homework help today. So if you have any questions from anything we've done this week or need some help with that social studies, hop on at 9 or at 1. And then we have some fun Friday activities planned for you tomorrow. So I would love to see everybody's face for that tomorrow at 9:30. Have a good day.